All right, guys, what's up? Don't mind the way I look, first of all. We are going to be doing a bathroom clean with me, organize with me, before and after situation. It's not terrible. It just needs a little work, little work. Excuse you, Miss Ma'am, thank you. Mostly this. I've already put the shelves up for all that to go on. And then my drawers aren't too terrible. This is Babe's drawer. She doesn't have much stuff. This is bathtub stuff. This is hair stuff and tanning stuff. This is more hair stuff, tools, stuff like that. Random shit. And then this is unorganized. No shower curtain because we're getting this glassed in. I have a little ghetto shower curtain rod, so could be we're using this for a little while. But the tiling is coming up because they half-assed did it when they flipped this house. So we have a tile guy that's supposed to be coming to fix that. So in the meantime, we're just not using the shower. So this is gonna be pretty much ignored in today. But yeah, so anywho, and then this is the little shitter, little pooper room. It's dirty. We're gonna ignore that, but it's gonna get clean. So this is what we're working with. I'll give you a little quick overview. Don't look at the master bedroom. It's also messy. We're cleaning the whole house today, but yeah. So this is the before. The floors desperately need to be cleaned as well too. I want to get new mirrors for right there, because why would they put a mirror that cuts off right in the middle of each sink? So when you're standing here, you have to move over to look at yourself. I look busted, but that's okay. We're cleaning. Anywho, so, but that's another day. This is just a clean it up video. And then when I revamp it, because I want to make this like a big accent feature. So that'll be a whole nother video in itself. So stay tuned. Guys, here is the after. Again, it's still pretty plain and there's a lot I want to do to it, but here's all my skincare. I have a lotion that's going there. That goes there. I didn't wash that mirror. It'll buff. Hair stuff right there. My water flosser, my teeth whitener, some makeup wipes, and a mask back there. More skincare. This is Babe's side, and then my toothbrush and stuff over here. Our little holder is being washed. I don't like this, but this is where Babe likes to put her watch, so it is what it is. I changed these from the really cute ones I had because she liked that these popped off instead of twisting off, so that's just what it's gonna be for now. You guys have already seen the drawers. I didn't do anything different to those drawers. This is the bath area. Bath stuff with a candle, more bath stuff. Bath bombs over there in the corner, a little scrubby, little faux plant. But yeah. Again, didn't touch that because that's its whole project we gotta get done. Dogs are barking. And here is plain as well. I don't want that up there. I want some kind of cute little small stand right here, but we're not there yet. I got my squatty potty, toilet brush, and trash can, and then this is like a one if you didn't have one of those, but it works perfectly fine to keep stuff stocked in here, so, or toilet paper stocked in here, so it'll be fine. And then last but not least, the only thing different I did in here was clear out the little bottom section. All this was already like this. I added these 3 in so it wasn't the ones that mismatched, and then I figured those went fine because the arches in my room are navy blue. I'm doing sage green doors everywhere, so that'll be fine. And then our towels up top. But yeah, one last little overview. And that's it for now until we can get more decorations and stuff. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you enjoyed this style of video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed, and have a great day. Bye, guys.